Meet Old Rusty, once the pride of the highway, now a metal monument to bad decisions and too many rainy days. But today, Old Rusty's fate changes. Today, we bring him back to life, or die trying. First step, assess the damage. Spoiler alert, it's bad. Rust everywhere, a smell that's half gasoline and half... Was that a raccoon? Oh, and the floor? Non-existent. This isn't a car, it's a tetanus convention. Tearing down a classic car is like therapy. If therapy came with a high risk of crushed fingers and a constant soundtrack of "Where did I put that wrench?" Pro tip, label everything. Unless you enjoy playing, where does this bolt go? 6 months later. There were challenges. Oh, were there challenges? Rusted bolts that refused to budge, an engine that gave us the silent treatment, and that one time the jack slipped. Lesson learned, gravity always wins, but then breakthroughs. The first time the engine purred instead of coughed. The first coat of paint, sunset orange because Old Rusty deserved to shine. And that feeling when we realized this wasn't just a car anymore. This was a comeback story. Months of sweat, swearing, and more coffee than anyone should drink brought us here. Old Rusty, gone. Say hello to Phoenix, our resurrected road warrior. Every dent, every scratch we fixed, every mile this car will drive, tells a story now. And then, the first drive. The wind in our hair, the hum of the engine, the undeniable satisfaction of knowing we did it. Phoenix wasn't just a car. It was proof that with enough love and elbow grease, even the rustiest dreams can shine again. So here's to Old Rusty, to Phoenix, and to every project waiting to be brought back to life. Remember, it's not about the rust. It's about the story. And every great story starts somewhere.